Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to fix this problem on Windows 11 operating system. In the first step, simply go to search bar and type your edit power plan. So click here to open it. Once we are here, we need to select change advanced power settings. Then once we are here, we need to expand the PCI Express. Simply click on the plus icon, then again expand link state power management, then select settings and select off, then click on apply and then OK. Once done, just go to taskbar and select. Now we need to right click on the taskbar and select task manager. Once we are here, we need to find out Windows Explorer. So here it is, right click on it and select restart. So we need to wait for at least 4 to 5 seconds to complete the process. Once done, just go to search bar, type settings and click here to open it. Then we need to select apps, then just scroll down and search for startup. Simply click here to expand it. Now we need to turn off these all options to fix this issue. Once done, close this window, and in the last method just open File Explorer, then go to this PC, right click on C drive, select properties, then go to tools tab. From error checking, click on check and select scan drive. So this will take some time to complete the process. We need to wait for it. It can take 4 to 5 minutes to complete the scanning process, error checking process. Once done, just restart your system and your problem will be solved. That's it guys. Don't forget to like the video and please do subscribe the channel. You're good to go.